Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Payal, today will be showing you a Chinese delicacy called Pan Fried Noodles. So first we're going to make the noodles. For that I'm going to take some Hakka noodles. I have boiled them. So when I boiled the Hakka noodles, I added the salt to it. If you haven't, then you can mix it here. But I prefer that you add it while boiling the noodles. To this we're going to add some corn flour. And now we're going to mix it well. It's always convenient to mix it well with your hands, especially if it's noodles. And when you boil the Hakka noodles, make sure that you drain the excess water completely and there should be no water. You see how dry my noodles are? That's how it should be. So now it has been mixed with the corn flour, as you can see. So now let's proceed to the next step. So now we're going to take a broad non-stick pan and we're going to heat some oil in it. It's going to be a little more quantity of oil because we want that little crispier. Now we're going to put the noodles, the one that we mixed right now. So we're going to press this lightly and we're going to cook this on a medium flame till the base is nice and light brown. Let's check if it's little brown in color. Yes, we can turn it. And we'll cook it on the other side also till it's nice and golden brown as this side. So let's check if the other side is also nice and golden brown. Yes, it's nice and golden brown from this side as well. So now we'll switch off the flame and proceed to the next step. So I've taken a broad non-stick pan, as you can see. To this I'm going to be adding some oil. And as it's a Chinese recipe, I'm going to cook it on a high flame. Some things are very important in any Chinese recipe. To chop the ingredients which says finely, very finely as mentioned. Other thing is to heat the oil when it's nice and hot. And thirdly, to always cook it on a high flame. Yes. It's nice and hot. To this add some finely chopped garlic, lots of it. As we all know, Chinese cooking has a lot of chopping to do. Some green chilies, again finely chopped. We'll saute this on a high flame for a few seconds. To this I'm going to be adding some red and yellow bell peppers or capsicum. And we'll saute this on a high flame for 1 minute. To this I'm going to be adding some carrot cubes which I've boiled them, parboiled them you can say. Some broccoli florets, soya sauce, must ingredient, tomato ketchup, salt, pepper powder, and we'll cook this on a high flame for 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes and they have been nicely cooked. To this I'm going to be adding the corn flour water mixture. So I've taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and added 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to mix this well and cook it on a high flame for 1 minute. This vegetable topping is not going to be very gravy type. It's going to be little on a drier side, actually a semi-dry side. So our vegetable is ready. Let's proceed to the next step. So now the final step, we're going to place this crispy noodles on a serving plate. Put this mixture on top, vegetable that we just made. So if you go to any Chinese restaurant, this is always on the list. With this you order some fried rice or burnt garlic rice, Szechuan rice, anything that you wish. And of course Manchurian. Without that, Chinese is incomplete. So serve this immediately to your guests and I'm sure they will enjoy it. But don't forget to let us know how you liked it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.